Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Open Facebook on your browser or mobile app and sign in now. Go to Settings and Privacy, then select Settings from the menu. Choose the Account tab and find the Email section to edit contact information. Add a new email address and confirm it by typing the email and your account password. Facebook will send a verification code by email in about 3 minutes to confirm ownership. Keep your Gmail open to retrieve that code quickly when it arrives. This preparation prevents lockouts and speeds the update process significantly. Click Add Email and type the new address you want to use. Facebook will ask you for your password to authorize adding that email for security reasons. Check the new email inbox and copy the verification code that arrives within a few minutes. Enter the code into Facebook exactly as shown to verify the new address for the account. If you enabled two-step verification, have your authentication method ready when Facebook prompts for it. Keep your original Gmail active until the new email is fully verified and working. After verifying the new email, return to the Email section and set it as primary. Confirm the primary change by entering your password again when Facebook requests it for security. Once the new address is primary, select your old Gmail and choose Remove to delete it from the account. Keep at least one verified email attached to avoid losing access to Facebook logins. Remember that login changes can take up to 48 hours to propagate across all your devices. Test signing in with the new.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.